Welcome to Sqik Web Design. Today we're going to look at a brief overview of the sites that I have designed and what your future site may look like. For starters, we're going to look at some of the sites I have designed on my portfolio page on my website. I designed Never Ending Child's resale shop in Strongsville, Ohio. As you can see, it features kid-geared backgrounds and icons and buttons, as this is required for this type of a website. I've also designed the Coming Soon website, or page for my website. Pretty big for a Coming Soon website, so yeah. I don't really use this site, but I made this changelog site from the Never Ending Child website, which isn't actually used anymore, but still, I made it, so I thought I'd include it in this video and on my website. I designed THG Design's website, who doesn't use it anymore, but I still designed it. You can access it at thgdesigns.squicksitearchive.com. I think this is one of my best. This is an example of my best work here. Yeah, very, very nice here, as you can see. We have a store system, an events sales system here. So, this is what I made. This is not my best work, but I made the AEGON PvP server for Minecraft. Like I said, this is not my best work, but I did make it, and this is a great example of how I follow each client's requests and fill them as best as I can. So, as you see, we got a ranks page, a forums page, and a home page, and news. And you can also request a template-based website based on these two templates I have. I might be making more in the future, so don't worry. It's for a restaurant I call Good Food, and we have the deal of the day, and we don't have real links here because I don't have the time to do all that kind of stuff for a site that's not even real, really. And of course, if you were to request any of these templates, I would have those links be real. The furniture shop. Again, you can have that. Not my best here, but I made it though. And that's really all that I've made. So you are going to be spotlighted, unless you request to not be, but you're going to be spotlighted on the portfolio page here. All of my websites I design are going to be on here, so you get free advertising. In the future, at some point, I might be offering a system where you can pay to be advertised on the site, and it will not be blocked by ad blockers because it will simply be an image and not the actual ad, but it will be ad. You can design. I can have myself design it for you, whatever you want to work that out. Now I have requirements for sending me emails to request a website. If you have a question, use question for your name as best as you can. Follow this general pattern here. Because I have a very cluttered inbox, so you should get what I mean by that. Comment if you have a comment or something else to tell me. Use comment from your name. Yeah, obviously replace your name with your name or whatever username, whatever you want to put there. And say design request if you want a website. And please tell me the following items here because I need it to design the site. Otherwise, the more you give me, the more I give you, essentially. So, that's how that works. And then I have a survey. So, there's also many ways of supporting me, such as telling people you may know, subscribe, follow, and liking, and other things. I have so many social media sites, you probably couldn't count them. I have plenty of wallpapers, so look around if you want to download the wallpaper, and you know, tell your friends. I have plenty of them. I even have ones for iPhones and iPod 4th generations, like iPhone 4S's and down, I guess, really, Retina. So I make those too, and I'm always making new ones. So you know, keep looking over here if you don't see one you like. And right, you will never find a free web designer. I cannot stress this enough. You will never find a web designer that offers design websites for free. So that's one perk of using me. And you know, I'm still here to grow a little bit, so I still have some things here that you know I could use some help with, and I'm still growing and growing. I'm just a small business right now, but that may change in the future. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and tell our friends. See ya.